you ever wondered if an AI tool like ChatGPT can actually help you manifest your desires and your goals? You might be thinking, wait, isn't manifesting about your mindset, the intention, the energy you're sending out into the universe? How can a chatbot help with that? Well, stick with me because today we're diving into how ChatGPT can actually help you manifest your desires and your dreams. For anyone that wants accountability, I've prepared and created a challenge. So make sure to stick around until the end to get all the details on how to participate. Before we start, the basics. What do we need before we start manifesting? First of all, we need a desire that we want to attract, a wish, a dream, a goal, whatever you want to name it. And you have to be pretty clear about what that topic is. Clearer you can get, the better. And then you need unshakable belief that it can happen for you. So whether you want to join the challenge later on or you just want to try it out for yourself with something small, pick something that you can actually believe it's going to happen for you. So let's start with the first prompt. You're simply opening ChatGPT on your desktop or on your phone. It's completely free and you don't have to sign up either. Here is where the magic begins. I saw this on an Instagram account. I will link her account up here. And I was very intrigued. And after trying it out for myself, I loved the idea so much that I wanted to share it with you. So once you open up ChatGPT, this is what you're gonna prompt this chatbot. I would like to create a personalized manifestation story I can read before going to bed. Here's what I want to have included. Please write it into a vivid present tense narrative. Then we're going into the different points that you want ChatGPT to write out for you. First, you're gonna start with the desire you want to manifest. Make sure to fill in a specific experience or your dream, your goal, whatever you want to bring into your life. I've said this before, but get as clear as possible. The more details you have, the more specific you can get, the better. Write something like, where are you in this moment? Who are you surrounded by? What are you wearing? What weather are you experiencing? Really get detailed on that. On the next step, you're writing down the emotions you want to feel when your manifestation is reality. Do you feel joy? Do you feel tears of joy streaming down your face? Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling content? Are you feeling calm? Write all of that down. On the third step, you're writing down all the actions you already took to get to your desire or what challenges, limiting beliefs you overcame. And then the last step is to write all the sensory details. How does the clothes feel on your skin? How does the weather feel? Do you feel warmth on your skin, on your body? Do you feel the sand in between your toes? Can you smell a freshly brewed cup of coffee? Really get into as many details as possible. Then you're gonna hit enter and ChatGPT is gonna write you a narrative in the present tense with your vivid manifestation story. And here is where it gets really exciting. You're gonna open up an app called Parrot. It is also free. You can download it on your phone. And you will read your own manifestation story into this app. You're gonna speak it into this app. What this app is great for, it is actually looping it. Once you've recorded your story, it will automatically loop it over and over again. And then what you're going to do is, for the next 2 weeks, you're going to listen to this every night before you go to bed to rewire your brain. If you've been around my channel, you know I love affirmations, I love robotic affirmations, and it works. And the way it works, it's because it's repetition and emotion. And because your story is loaded with emotions, it is super powerful. Before we go to bed or right before we fall asleep, our brain is also more susceptible to change and to feed our subconscious with positive things. And to have that narrative playing over and over before you fall asleep is the perfect thing you can do. Another great thing I love about this app is that it has a sleep timer. So if you don't want to let it continue for whatever hours, you can just simply set it for maybe half an hour, maybe 20 minutes, whatever you need. But it's 2 simple free tools that you can use to get closer to your dreams. The second prompt has gone viral and I wanted to share it with you as well in case you haven't heard about it. And that is the day in my life trend. First off, you're going to start off by writing in a simple document or in a notes app, whatever you have, your biggest dreams, desires, wishes. The bigger the better, of the saying, big goals are harder to miss. So really go big, go wild, go all out. Then you're gonna open ChatGPT once again and you're gonna write, tell me a story of a day in my life based off this description. And then you copy paste your document that you wrote out with all your goals and desires on top of that. You're gonna hit enter. Optional again, you could use the Parrot app to record it and loop it, listen to it daily, in the morning, in the evening, whatever you have time. Or you can take it a step further and write it. Create a daily routine that will help me achieve this in this life. ChatGPT again will give you a detailed version. You can just go through it, pick what resonates and leave what doesn't, and just create your own schedule or create a step-by-step guide on how to get closer to your dreams. Now let's talk about the challenge. The challenge is to stick to one of the 2 prompts for 2 weeks. If you are ready to participate, comment all in. And then after the 2 weeks are over, you're gonna come back and write down what changes you experienced, what feelings might be different, maybe what has manifested already, to share with everybody if you felt some kind of change or if it worked for you. Now, if you're worrying, oh my God, I haven't written down all the prompts, how do I get that? Don't worry. There's a link in the pinned comment and also in the description below where you can sign up to get the 2 journal prompts and additional resources and infos, tips and tricks for free. Once again, if you are ready to take on this challenge for 2 weeks just to see what happens, being open-minded, comment all in down below. And then come back whenever you feel a significant or a minor change. Earlier on, I touched on the subject of robotic affirmations. If you want to know how they work and how you can make them work for you, you should check out this video next. Go and be your favorite self. I'll see you soon.